As we begin our hike in the southern Koʻolau, we're starting low, around 500 feet in elevation. This leeward side of the range is noticeably drier, with thin soils and strong sun exposure. But even here, native plants have carved out a niche. You'll see pūkiawe, a tough, upright shrub with tiny, needle-like leaves tightly stacked along its wiry branches. Look closely and you might spot pink or white berries tucked beneath the foliage. Nearby is ʻulei, a spreading shrub that creeps low to the ground. Its leaves are finely divided, almost fern-like, arranged in tidy pairs along a central stem, and in bloom it shows delicate white flowers that look like miniature roses. Both plants are incredibly drought tolerant, making them important anchors for these dry, exposed slopes. As we move up to around 800 to 1,000 feet, we pass through a patch of invasive strawberry guava. This area is a bit more mesic, still on the drier side, but with enough moisture for these invasive plants to take hold. Yet here, the resilient native ʻilima still finds a way to bloom, adding a bright yellow contrast amid the guava thicket. Now, as we climb further to around 1,500 feet, we enter the ʻulei fern zone. This area is cooler and a bit more humid, with slopes covered in a thick carpet of ʻulei ferns. Among them we spot the kopiko, a native understory tree that thrives in these mid-elevation forests, enjoying the increased moisture and shade. Climbing higher to around 2,000 feet, the native forest becomes richer. Here we find kaʻava'u, a native holly that grows in these cooler, moist conditions. The presence of kaʻava'u is a sign that we're entering a truly native-dominated forest zone. As we move through the upper forest, I come across a native tree known as ohiaha. It has broad, glossy leaves and clusters of red berries that stand out against the canopy. What really caught my eye here is a parasitic native plant that's growing on its branches. It's a native mistletoe called kaumahana. Kaumahana is subtle. It looks like a tangle of tiny yellow-green twigs, but once you spot it, you start seeing it everywhere. It taps into its host tree for water and nutrients, but it's native to Hawaii, and it has co-evolved with trees like ohiaha for over centuries. At about 2,500 feet, we have a rare tree, the loulu palm, Pritchardia, in bloom with its delicate yellow flowers. This area is a haven for rare high-elevation species, and seeing a flowering loulu is something truly special. Here near the summit, one of the rarest plants I've seen on this hike is the mountain naupaka, or naupaka kuahiwi. It's a critically endangered species found only in these high ridges of the Koʻolau Mountains. Unlike its more common coastal cousin with those white half-flowers, this naupaka has soft, thick leaves and delicate purple blooms, fan-shaped with that signature half-flower look that makes the genus so recognizable. The blossoms are followed by small purplish fruits, likely spread by the native birds. Seeing one in bloom here, nestled among the mossy forest edge, really drives home just how special these upper elevation ecosystems are. Finally, just before we turn back, we spot the fruiting hoʻava, a pittosporum tree nestled in these high forests. This is a cool mesic zone that supports a diversity of native species. With the sun dipping lower, we turn back down the ridge, carrying with us the memories of these incredible native plants and the unique environments they call home.